Hello, everybody, and welcome. Today we are playing Will You Press the Button? And let's begin. We will do 10 questions, and this will be the end of the video. Okay, now let's begin. Oops. Uh, okay, my bad. Okay, will you press the button.com? You will be in perfect physical shape for the rest of your life without you having to exercise or eat healthy, but all food you eat for the rest of your life will now taste horrible. Um, I will press the button. 64% did not. 36 did. Actually, I like that one. Okay. You'll get your dream job even if it doesn't currently exist, but you only make enough money to survive off the cheapest housing and food available. I will not press it. 45% did press it, and 55% did not press it. I dislike that one. Okay. You gain the ability to see hundreds of colors humans can't normally see, but everyone else becomes colorblind. I will. 49% did press the button, 51% did not. Sorry about that. You get free M&Ms for the rest of your life, but they're all the same color. Well, yes, I'll press the button. It doesn't matter about the color. 86% did, 14% did not. The 14% are just picky. You can eat anything without gaining weight, but you appear to be skeleton thin. I will not. I prefer to gain a little weight. 37% did, and 63% did not. You will gain the ability to time travel back in time, but you will never be able to return back to the future. I will not. 44% did, 56% did not. You will live forever, but you will live alone. I will not. 34% did press the button, 66% did not. I'm sorry about this, guys. You will get accepted into Hogwarts, but you get expelled year 2. I will not. 64% did, 36% did not. You could turn anything into anything you want, but when you turn back, no one knows you anymore. I will not press the button. 43% did, 57% did not. You become the detect dictator on Earth and expand to the universe. But you must eat cereal once a month to stay in power, and cereal becomes available to everyone but you. So you must go in. I have no idea what that word is. To receive cereal. I will press it. 77% did, and 23 did not. Half-Life 3 gets released, but it's an Xbox One exclusive. I will press the button. It's a pretty good game. 47% did, and 53% did not. You Xbox haters. We'll do 2 more, and this will end it for this video. All the people that you meet love you, but you have to carry an used diaper in your pockets. I will not. 36% did, and 64 did not. You gain the ability to play all first-person shooters, strategy, and fighting games flawlessly, but if you ever participate in a serious competitive game, you will fail miserably and make downright idiotic mistakes. I will not, because 47% did, and 53% did not. Well, this ends it all for this video. Please like and subscribe for more, and I will see you all in the next video.